Well, in 1992, I went to treatment for bulimia, and when I got there, I was like crying hysterically. And now I know that my heart was just breaking open, and immediately they went, "Put that girl on Prozac." And so I started taking Prozac in 1992 and tried for years, like periodically, to get off of it. And it has this terrible half-life or whatever, like at 8 weeks, you just go crazy. So this last year I was diagnosed for the 3rd time with cancer, and I had always intuitively known that I shouldn't be taking Prozac, but I could never get off of it. Nobody would help you. Doctors don't do that. So I quit taking it. I just quit taking it. I was like, that's it. I don't care what happens. I'm going to quit taking it. And then a friend of mine sent me Dr. Joe's book, You Are the Placebo, and I was like, I'm never going to take Prozac again. And then I came to the progressive workshop in July, and it was about the time I would have been having, you know, like this, which for me was like anger, frustration, just going off the handle at my husband. Never happened. Never. It's been since May, June, July, August, September, no Prozac after 20-something years. And I attribute it totally to these practices. And in the meantime, since I've been here, I mean, my cancer's gone. My oncologist, because it was stage 4, told me if I didn't do any more chemo, I would die. And after I read You Are the Placebo, I went, I'm not doing that. I'm not taking any more chemo. That is killing me. I know that. So I think I don't have anything to lose. Right before I had surgery, I had an ileostomy, which is a bag when you have colorectal surgery. And it was right a week before my resection, which was awesome. So I feel like that just really, I mean, my doctors, when I would go in to see them, they're like, whoa, we love you. We can't wait to see you. Because I was meditating, doing the potential meditation every day. And I feel great.